This is Chronicles 17259. Let's do this thing. This one is a random pack break. 5 times. Here we go. Oh, kick the shoes off because it's that sort of night. 5 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Matthew Marseille. Bottom is Leslie. That is 5 times. Save it, and here we go. Left stacked on top of the right as always. All right, 6 there, so we're all good. And away we go. We have Matthew Mace, Charles, Leslie, Nat, Charles, Leslie. All right, here we go. We'll start with the 1 packs. Nat up first. Good luck, Nat. Carniero, Asuncao, Shevchenko, Barnett, Sandhagen. Cracked Eyes, Dominic Reyes. 12 of 25. Darrow, John Jones. I like that the to 25 has been different for most sets. I actually kind of like that. All right. Next is Matthew Marseille. Good luck, Matthew. Chris Gutierrez, Tuivasa, John Jones, Pedro Munoz, Silva Yana Santos. Flip it to 99, Dominic Reyes, and Chris Barnett. Oh, yes. All right. Charles up first of the 2 Trad brothers. Blanchfield, Mera to 109, Marcin Tabora, Masvidal, Tavares, Flip It, Calvin Gastelum, and Makiev. OSP, Bryce Mitchell, Jack Hermanson to 25, Miranda Maverick. That's cool. Rachmanov, DC, Adesanya. This limited set's so nice. And Robbie Lawler. So Leslie could have gone bang bang on both the autos here. 2 autographs per box? Yeah, I mean, if the average is stuck for Trucity, Leslie's about to go crazy. We'll get the bloody hit sleeve, we'll get the base sleeved up eventually. All right, here we go. Good luck, Leslie. Ryan Hall, Molly McCann, Syed to 109 DC. Oh, Obsidian, and it's a nice Obsidian. Lightning Strike, Rose Namajunas. Not the best photo. She looks actually scared, or she's been in the pool. It's cold. Spivak and Ignacio Bahamundes. Nice start. Josiah Nunez, Elkins, Gilby Burns, Morales, Rukian, and an auto of Dominic Cruz. Behind that, Esparza and a Asuncao. And that is UFC Chronicles 17259. Oh, sorry, I missed a numbered card. That Carter Baralo was to 25. 19 and 25. It's complete. I may have missed it in the excitement about those.